Hey Siri, Hey Siri. Now, if Siri or Hey Siri on our iPhone Air isn't working, it doesn't respond at all when you ask something, or it maybe keeps saying, I'm having trouble, something went wrong, there is a problem. In this video, we'll show you how to fix it and get Siri back to working perfectly again. Hey Siri, Hey Siri. So first of all, if it's not responding, make sure you're not connected to any Bluetooth device. If you are, the sound will not go through your iPhone's microphone. Just go ahead, disconnect or unpair the device and then try again. If it's stuck on this rotating bubbles or Siri just can't fetch any data, just showing errors after errors, most times it's the internet issue. So Wi-Fi or cellular, whatever you're using, just make sure you're connected to a fast and stable internet connection. You can also turn on airplane mode, wait around 15 seconds before turning it off again. This will quickly refresh the network. And while you're here, try not to use Wi-Fi and cellular at the same time. Now, if Siri is still not responding properly, let's go ahead and check out Siri settings. So from settings, go to Apple Intelligence on Siri, enter Talk to Siri. Especially if it's not responding, just make sure Siri or Hey Siri is enabled. If it's already on, you can just restart it by turning it off and then hit Siri or Hey Siri. And then just follow the prompts, press continue. Say, Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. And like this, just follow the voice prompts to match your voice. And then press done and just set up Siri once again. When you're done, make sure to toggle this side button Siri activation. And then just go back one step, enter Siri responses. It's recommended to keep selected to prefer spoken responses. So if your iPhone is muted, you can still see if Siri is responding. And also toggle on these two buttons so the responses are more visible and easy to follow. Now go back one step. And along with everything, if you want, you can just turn on Apple Intelligence as well, which in fact boosts the Siri responses with more additional features. Now, if it still keeps acting up, we'll just reset all settings on our iPhone Air, because there may be some customized settings somewhere that's causing Siri to malfunction. So open settings, go to general, to transfer reset iPhone, to reset all settings. This will not delete any data, just will reset some custom settings, including your Wi-Fi password, so make sure you got that. And after reset all settings, reconnect with your Wi-Fi once again. And then, once again, you'll just have to re-enable Siri along with Apple Intelligence if you want. And I'm absolutely sure Siri will start working properly once again. Hey Siri, set a timer for 5 seconds.
5 seconds, counting down.
Thanks for watching.